Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Volt Landscape Lighting Kit is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your home's exterior, instantly elevating curb appeal and creating a welcoming ambience for evenings spent outdoors. Imagine your garden pathways illuminated, architectural features highlighted, and your entire property bathed in a warm, inviting glow that not only enhances beauty but also adds a crucial layer of security, deterring potential intruders and making your home feel safer after dark. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about maximizing your enjoyment of your outdoor living spaces and making a lasting impression. Number 5. Volt Brass Fat Boy LED Outdoor Spotlight 6-Pack Kit. This is a complete outdoor lighting kit designed to illuminate your yard, lawn, garden, patio, trees, and house. It includes everything you need for a professional-grade installation. Crafted from solid brass, these spotlights are built to last a lifetime. The natural material develops a beautiful patina over time and is resistant to corrosion, ensuring enduring quality. Experience professional-grade lighting with features like a 360-degree rotatable glare guard, heavy-duty adjustable knuckle, and a machine-threaded body for superior moisture resistance. The components are designed for durability and ease of use. The included LED bulbs are an energy-efficient replacement for traditional halogen bulbs. They provide a warm white light that accurately showcases the true colors of your landscape, with a long lifespan. Enjoy peace of mind with an industry-best lifetime warranty on fixtures, transformers, and LED bulbs. These professional-grade products are UL listed for safety, ensuring reliable and durable performance. What we like. This spotlight kit offers exceptional durability with its solid brass construction that naturally patinas over time without corroding. It's built with professional-grade components for maximum moisture tightness and mounting stability. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-quality uplighting solution for your trees or house that will withstand the elements for years to come, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit is easy to install and set up. The lights are bright and provide good coverage for the landscape. The app control is convenient for adjusting settings and schedules. Number 4. Volt 12V Brass Max Spread LED Path Light Kit. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a professional landscape lighting system. It includes durable brass path lights, a high-performance transformer, LED bulbs, and all necessary accessories for easy installation. Enjoy peace of mind with our industry-best lifetime warranty on brass fixtures, LED bulbs, and transformers. These professional-grade products are built to the highest standards and certified by UL for safety. Our popular Max Spread Path lights are crafted from solid brass for lasting beauty and durability. They feature high-quality internal components and a silicone plug to prevent moisture intrusion. Experience optimal illumination with a wider light spread that covers a larger area. The design also enhances ground lighting and complies with dark sky guidelines to conserve energy and reduce light pollution. The included slimline transformer is lighter, easier to install, and designed specifically for LEDs. It offers reliable, efficient, and quiet operation with a built-in mechanical timer. This kit comes with everything you need for a straightforward setup. Easy install stakes and clamp-type connectors ensure a quick and secure installation process. What we like. These path lights provide an optimal illumination with a 16-foot diameter region of light, which is significantly larger than most others. They are constructed from solid brass for lasting beauty and durability, and comply with dark sky guidelines to minimize light pollution. If you need to illuminate a wider area of your pathway or garden while being energy conscious and environmentally friendly, these are the perfect fit. What people say. The transformer is a nice size and has a built-in timer. The lights are very bright and have a good beam spread. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including wire, connectors, and stakes. Number 3. Lumen Logic 12V Brass LED Landscape Lighting Kit. Crafted from solid brass, this lighting kit is built to last a lifetime. Each fixture comes with pre-stripped lead wire for easy installation. Illuminate your outdoor space with energy-efficient LED bulbs. Enjoy warm white light with different beam spreads to suit your needs. The spotlights and path lights are designed to blend seamlessly into your landscape. Their dimensions ensure optimal light placement without being obtrusive. This kit includes a powerful 100W transformer and all the necessary accessories. You'll find wire connection hubs, ground stakes, and more for a hassle-free setup. Rest assured with our UL Co-listed product, backed by a lifetime warranty. We stand by the quality and durability of this lighting solution. What we like. This kit offers a versatile mix of 6 spotlights and 2 path lights, all constructed from solid brass for enduring quality. It includes warm white LED bulbs to create a welcoming ambience. If you need a comprehensive lighting solution that covers both accent lighting for your house or trees and path lighting for your walkways, this all-in-one package is ideal for creating a cohesive look. What people say. The kit is easy to install and set up, with clear instructions. The lights are bright and provide good coverage for the landscape. The app control is convenient for adjusting settings and schedules. Number 2. Volt 12V 3-tier Brass Pagoda LED Path Light Kit. Introducing a premium lighting solution designed to enhance your outdoor spaces. This kit provides everything you need to beautifully light up your pathways and garden areas. Setting up your new lights is a breeze with our easy installation bundle. It includes all the necessary components, from the lights themselves to the bulbs and stakes, ensuring a quick and simple setup. This kit can be used as a standalone system or as an expansion to your existing landscape lighting. You have the flexibility to add it to your current setup or start fresh. Experience a warm and inviting ambience with lights designed to minimize glare. The frosted lenses and thoughtful design direct light downwards, creating a comfortable and safe environment. Crafted with professional-grade, corrosion-resistant materials, these fixtures are built for durability. Advanced construction ensures optimal performance and longevity, even in outdoor conditions. We stand behind the quality of our products with an industry-best lifetime warranty on brass fixtures and LED bulbs. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. What we like. These Pagoda path lights are designed with a frosted lens and wide flanges to soften light output and direct it downwards, effectively reducing glare. They are made of professional quality, corrosion-resistant solid brass. If you prefer a softer, more diffused light for your pathways and gardens, and are looking for a kit that can be easily expanded with a separate transformer, this option provides both aesthetic appeal and functional design. What people say. The transformer is compact and easy to hide. The lights are bright and cast a nice pattern. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Number 1. Volt Flat Hat LED Outdoor Path Light Kit. Transform your outdoor spaces with this all-inclusive path and area lighting kit. It provides everything you need for a professional landscape lighting system, bundled for great savings. Each path light is constructed from solid cast brass for lasting beauty and durability. They are designed with professional-grade internal components and feature a silicone plug to prevent moisture intrusion. The included transformer is slimmer, lighter, and designed specifically for LEDs. It offers reliable, efficient, cooler, and quieter operation, ensuring optimal performance for your lighting. These lights project a wide region of warm white illumination, perfect for pathways, walkways, gardens, driveways, or patios. Enjoy a beautifully lit outdoor environment. We stand behind our products with an industry-best lifetime warranty on brass fixtures, LED bulbs, and transformers. Our professional-grade products are built to the highest standards for your peace of mind. Rest assured, our professional-grade products are certified by UL for safety. They are built to the highest standards of construction and performance and are field-tested for durability. What we like. This path light kit features a 7-inch shade that projects a 12-foot diameter region of illumination, perfect for pathways and garden areas. Constructed from durable solid cast brass, these lights are built to last. The included slimline transformer is lighter and easier to install than traditional models. If you're looking for reliable, aesthetically pleasing path lighting that covers a good area and comes with a modern, user-friendly transformer, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The transformer is a good size and has a built-in timer. The lights are very bright and cast a nice pattern. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including wire, connectors, and stakes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.